In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Business Central. If you've been looking to streamline your business operations by syncing these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. This integration will not only ensure your data is accurate across platforms, but will also save you time and effort in managing your online store and business resources. So let's jump right in and go through the steps you'll need to follow. To begin with, you'll need to install the Dynamics 365 Business Central app from the Shopify App Store. This app will serve as the bridge between Shopify and Business Central, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. Start by signing in to your Shopify account. Once inside your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find the option labeled Apps. Click on this option and you'll be transported to the Shopify App Store. Now that you're in the App Store, we need to locate the Dynamics 365 Business Central app. Utilize the search bar at the top of the page by entering the name of the app, Business Central. This should bring up the app in your results. When you find it, click on the app to view more details. Here, you'll see a button that says Add App, inviting you to take the next step. Clicking Add App will take you through a brief authorization process, which is crucial for making sure all accounts and permissions are in place for a smooth integration. You will be prompted to authorize the connection between Shopify and Business Central. This step involves consenting to the sharing of certain data between these two platforms, which is important for syncing purposes. Make sure you review the terms and understand the access levels required. This will ensure that the integration goes off without a hitch. Once you've authorized the connection, the installation process will begin. This shouldn't take long and will be mostly automated, but do make sure your internet connection is stable. Interruptions here could cause installation issues, so it's always best to ensure everything is set up perfectly from the start. With the Business Central app successfully installed, you're all set to start using it to sync your Shopify data with Business Central. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in your business tasks and take some time to explore additional features within the app that can further optimize your operations. Keep in mind that integrating these systems marks just the beginning of a more streamlined workflow that will ultimately serve to boost productivity and enhance the customer experience. That wraps up today's tutorial on integrating Shopify with Business Central. Congratulations on taking this significant step towards optimizing your business processes. Remember, the more seamlessly your systems work together, the more effectively you can run your operations. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have as you begin using these integrated platforms.